In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attachments to emails in HubSpot. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently send files, documents, or images directly from your HubSpot CRM when emailing a contact. First, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top navigation bar and click on the CRM section. This is where all your core customer data lives, and it's the starting point for accessing your contact records. Once you're in the CRM area, click on Contacts. This will open your list of contacts, which might be displayed in a table view with names, email addresses, and other details. If you have many contacts, you can use the search bar or filters to quickly find the person you want to email. Take a second to confirm you're choosing the right contact, especially if you work with people who have similar names. Next, click on the specific contact you want to send an email to. This will open their contact record, where you can see their activity timeline, notes, and any previous communication. On this page, look for the option to send an email. Usually, you'll see an email button near the top of the record or within the communication panel. Click on Email to open the email composer. Here, you can enter your subject line and type out the body of your message just like you would in any standard email tool. Before you attach anything, it's a good idea to write a short line in your email mentioning what you're attaching, so the recipient knows what to expect. Now, to add your attachment, look for the paperclip icon in the Email Composer toolbar. This icon represents file attachments. Click on the paperclip and you'll see a couple of options. If the file you want to send is stored on your computer, click on Upload. This will open a file browser window where you can navigate to the document, image, or other file you need. Select it and confirm. HubSpot will upload the file and attach it to your email. If the file is already stored in HubSpot's file manager, click on Choose Existing instead. This lets you browse previously uploaded files and pick the one you want, which is especially helpful for commonly used documents like brochures or templates. Once your file is attached and your email looks good, you're ready to review and send it.